Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, I'll be reviewing the wall mount hooded salon hairdryer, a product designed to bring professional salon quality hair care into your home. Whether you're a beauty enthusiast or someone who wants to recreate a salon experience at home, this product promises convenience, efficiency, and safety. Let's dive into the details and see how it performs in real-world testing. This professional-grade hooded dryer features a built-in Ionic generator, which emits millions of negative ions to help eliminate static, reduce hair knots, and minimize drying time. The Ionic technology is designed to leave your hair silky smooth, shiny, and voluminous, whether you have straight or curly hair. So what does this mean in practice? It's essentially aiming to protect your hair while speeding up your drying process and enhancing its overall texture. Looking at its features, the dryer comes with multiple temperature settings, low, medium, and high heat, along with an adjustable speed motor for a customized drying experience. This makes it versatile for various treatments, whether you're drying, styling, or even doing hair perms or coloring. You can also set the drying time between 10 to 60 minutes using the built-in timer, which gives you control over your styling session. Now, let's talk about the real-world experience. I found the installation process straightforward, especially since it mounts directly onto a load-bearing wall. The dryer is solidly built with cold-formed steel, making it durable and sturdy. The key point to note, though, is the importance of installing it on concrete walls to avoid potential safety hazards like the unit falling off. The anti-dumping accessories included really help keep it secure once installed. I didn't encounter any issues with its stability, but I did take the extra care to follow the instructions carefully. Using the dryer was a breeze. The adjustable hood angle is a great feature. It made it easy to find the right position no matter how I was sitting or standing. The 3 heat settings were easy to navigate, and the 2-speed motor offered enough variation to suit different needs. One thing I really liked was the quick drying time. Thanks to the Ionic technology, I noticed a significant reduction in drying time compared to my regular blow-drying routine. My hair felt smooth and frizz-free after use, and I didn't experience any of the usual heat damage I'd expect from a traditional dryer. On the downside, the product must be used with a hairnet or plastic film, which could be a hassle for some users. Also, the dryer is a bit bulky, and I can see it taking up a fair amount of space in smaller bathrooms. It's also not the most portable option. This is a wall-mounted dryer, so once it's installed, it's pretty stationary. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Pros. Ionic technology helps reduce frizz, static, and drying time while adding volume. Adjustable temperature and speed settings for a customized experience. Timer knob gives you control over drying time from 10 to 60 minutes. The sturdy steel construction and safety features like automatic shutoff prevent overheating. Ideal for both home and salon use. Versatile for different hair treatments. Cons. Requires installation on a concrete wall. Drywall isn't suitable, so it could be a challenge if your setup doesn't match. Needs to be used with a hairnet or plastic film, which may not be the most convenient. Bulky design may not be ideal for all home setups. In terms of value for money, I think the price is justified for the performance you get. It's a bit of an investment, but considering its durability, professional-grade features, and the Ionic technology that protects your hair, it's a solid choice if you're serious about hair care. Plus, if you're someone who frequents at-home treatments like perms or coloring, this dryer can definitely enhance those experiences without breaking the bank like salon visits would. Comparing this to other similar wall-mounted hair dryers on the market, it's one of the few that offers both Ionic technology and a range of temperature settings, which is a big plus for hair health. Most competing models focus only on basic heat adjustments, so this is a clear step up in terms of performance. As for build quality, the sturdy construction and solid design inspire confidence. It's designed to last, and I appreciate the fact that it's built with safety in mind. Automatic shutoff when overheating is a major win. However, the fact that it's wall-mounted and somewhat bulky means you'll need to commit to having it in a fixed spot, so it's not a product that's going to be easily moved around. Is this product a good value for the money? Yes, especially if you're looking for a more professional hair care setup at home. The Ionic technology, coupled with adjustable heat and time settings, really does make this stand out. However, if you're on a tight budget or need something more compact, there are other affordable options available, though they may lack some of the advanced features. Final verdict: the wall-mount hooded salon hairdryer is a great investment if you're after professional results at home. It's perfect for those who want to take their at-home hair care seriously. The combination of safety features, adjustable settings, and Ionic technology makes it a standout, though it's best suited for those with the space and wall setup to accommodate it. Mid-review call to action. If this review helped you decide whether this product is right for you, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a review. It helps us keep bringing you honest, in-depth beauty product breakdowns like this one, and a video engagement. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to pick up this dryer, I've left a link in the description or comments below. And if you've tried it yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it worked for you. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.